Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading The Tunnel by Susan Howden and Erika Rodriguez Medina. Please enjoy. The Tunnel. Something's bad happened. I don't like to think about it. Now it's just me and my mom in the quiet house. Mostly I sit in my room and look at out the window. Sometimes Mom comes in and hugs me tight. I don't always hug her back. People come to visit and everyone has questions. Tonight it's Aunt Cheryl. She'll stare at me with her big eyes and ask, "What? Are you okay?" I don't feel like talking. So I find a plastic shovel, choose a spot, and start to dig. Down into the ground. It's dark down there, but I don't mind. It's crowded too with worms, beetles, and moles, and things I don't know the name of. They don't notice me. Behind me I hear noises, but I just keep on digging. Distant noises from the house. Then suddenly I surface. I turn around and there I am, right in our backyard. Through the window I see Mom and Aunt Cheryl. I see the nightlight glowing in my room. And then there's the moon between the telephone wires. A spotlight, clear and certain. No one knows I'm out here. I tell the moon I could just disappear. I turn back to the window. Inside, Mom and Aunt Cheryl are talking. I watch them like they're on TV. Mom turns in my direction. She can't see me, but her face looks close enough to touch. Almost like the moon. And something shifts inside me. It nudges me like a dog knows. I could disappear forever, yes. But maybe not tonight. I turn around to start to crawl back the way I came. This time the worms know me. The beetles too. The moles don't care either way. They have their own work to do. The soil smells sweet and dark. It smells like plants and rotten vegetables. It smells like mud pies and old leaves and basements. I'll go home for now. I tell myself, but I can always come back. The soil turns to carpet, and I tumble forward. My room seems strange and squared after the tunnel, but I like it. It's dim and cozy, and it's mine. I cover up in the hall and climb into bed. Knock, knock. The door opens. Light shines in the crack. May I come in, Mom asks. Yes, I say. She sits down and gives me a hug. It's gentle and warm and strong. Tonight, I hug her back as hard as I can, harder. What's this? She asked, picking something from my hair. She holds it out. I crooked a little twig. I take it in my fingers. It's like a bone. I made a tunnel out there, I say, and then I came back. Mom just nods. I think she knows I need a secret place. She might have secret places of her own. I think she knows we sometimes travel far away, alone, where we don't have to talk. You came back, she says, and her face is glowing in the soft light, just like the moon. Man, it looks like you did come back. You didn't go too far in the tunnel, huh? And how many of you have done something like that? Go out in your backyard and make a tunnel. Let me know in the comment box if you have ever done something like that. Just curious. And have you just lived with just one parent with no brothers and sisters? Let me know with a thumbs up. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, and take care, everybody.